Okay, so describe my average day in dental school. So I'm a third-year student, so that's very different than the first 2 years. The first 2 years, I was in school from 8 to 5. I had a 12 to 1 lunch break. Right after school at 5 o'clock, which was basically all lectures and pre-clinic, I would go straight to the library, or sometimes I'd take an hour and a half to eat dinner, kind of relax. But generally by 6:30, I was in the library, and I'd be at the library until about 11:30 or so. And just that daily routine, it really helps to have a good friend to study with. Right now, as a third-year dental student, which is kind of similar to a fourth-year dental student, I'm seeing a lot more patients. So I'm out of my house. I live relatively close to school. I'm out of my house by about 7:30. I'm up by 7. And I'm at school at 8. I have class from 8 to 9. I see patients, just one patient from 9 to noon. I have a nice lunch break, which is the most highly anticipated moment throughout the day, is that great lunch. We're able to just interact with your classmates and the other dental students. And then I have class from 1 to 2. My classes from the 8 to 9 and 1 to 2, they can range from pediatrics to implants to emergency. It just depends. Obviously it varies throughout the week. And then I see one more patient again from 2 to 5. And while that seems like you're only seeing 2 patients a day, believe me, that's a lot of work. After 5, what I usually do is go home, cook dinner, relax, and one of the things I like to do is partake in a lot of intramural sports. I do like watching TV and just hanging out, going to a football game or a basketball game, anything just to take my mind somewhat off of dentistry. But one thing that I do have to do is make sure that I spend about an hour calling patients and scheduling patients and make sure that I'm getting prepared for tomorrow, whether that's in lab or just simply calling patients.